psychology in designing products that feels natural. In the world of UX design, our aim is to create products that feel unnatural, intuitive and enjoyable to use. But what makes the design feel this way? How can we ensure our product resonates with the users on the psychological level, enchanting their experience and engagement? Let's start. First, what is psychology behind UX? UX psychology is all about understanding the interaction of the human behavior, emotions and cognitive process with the product interactions. This approach digs into the psychology behind how people engage with websites, apps and other digital products, helping designers make choices that supports users' natural tendencies. User emotions. When people use a product, they experience a range of emotions: comfortable, frustrations, satisfaction, or delight. Knowing those emotions, response is a key to designing experience that feel positive and supporting, drive engagement and reduction frustration. Cognitive load. One major consideration is cognitive load and mental effort user need to invest. By reduction this mental load with a clean, stimuli design, we can prevent user from feeling overwhelming and make the interaction smoother and more enjoyable. Decision making. Understanding the decision making is crucial. People land on the things like default settings, social proof and other cognitive shortcuts. Designing with this in mind can help guide users through affections, satisfaction choices, making the journey feel effortless. Behavior triggers. Subtle elements like the color of the buttons, call to action text or motivating message can prompt users to take action. A well-placed element might engage users to sync up, complete a task or explore further. User motivation. People come to product what needs and goals. Whenever it's convention, entertainment or a sense of accomplishment, typing into the motivation helps keep users engaging, feeling understand and waiting to return. Feedback and satisfaction. Instant feedback like a progress indicators or confirmations can reassure users that they are on the right track. In this small affirmation that can enhance user satisfaction, making interactions feel rewarding and complete. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to check out the channel for more content. I'm Przemysł. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Take care. Until next time.